Hello guys, so I am starting my new art journal that I made myself, and also the covers, which are done with embroidery and fabric. So you have in the previous video some techniques to use with the stencils, which is a series of videos for beginners. And now you have also these focal points to download in my blog. I made them myself, so I'm very proud of it. I like a lot dogs, so I thought to have these focal points. And so I will give you the link below. Now, in the previous video, we learned some techniques. So we are going to put in practice one of those, which is the stencil with a color pencil. And I am not filling in all the spaces. I am doing like an imperfect pattern. And now I am using another stencil with the gloss spray of Dina Walkley. And I am going to clean up these stencils because I like to clean up my tools, and so I am using another paper so I can at the same time have another impression and then cleaning the stencil. And also I am using a baby wipe to clean up the stencil and also have another impression. So I have another paper for collaging, which I think is very cool, probably for a card, probably. I don't know. Let's see what I can do with it. And so now we have almost the background. Normally I use this secondary page for journaling. I don't usually work on both pages. I have like the main page and then a secondary one, which is related. And now I am using one of the backgrounds that we made in the previous video, and I realized I cut it very small, so I have to cut it again. So luckily that you have the video and you can see my mistakes, because I have a general idea, but I am improvising the layers, so that's why. And the same with the tissue paper. This is from Dina Walkley, and that happens to me the same, that I cut a small piece and then I realized I wanted bigger. And so you have to build the collage a little as you wish. And by the way, I don't know about your holidays, but mine were very relaxing, and I come up with some new ideas. I hope you like it. I will be using staples. This is something that I learned from Dina Walkley. Dina Walkley was my first teacher ever on mixed media. I have a lot of teachers, but the first one was Dina, and I am still learning with her. I mean, every day. I absolutely love her products, the way she explains things. She make it easier when it's not easy at all, but yeah, so I'm very inspired by her. And now I realize that the pattern disappear under the collage, so this is something that you have to take into account, to put the pattern more on the left side of the page so it can be visible, but we can always correct the mistakes, right? And building the layers. Now I'm doing some splashes with yellow ochre to give some contrast. And this is also tissue paper from Dina Walkley. I not glued it super perfect. I want like loose layers. And here you have, I made like another collage on the secondary page as well as the journaling. And then I am using the sentiment that I have in the low level page that you have in my blog. And I am using the black and the white sentiments. It's a poem from Pablo Neruda, which is in Spanish, sorry. But I absolutely love the poem itself. It's very positive and I like it a lot. You can also glue down the sentiments, not necessarily with the staples, but I like the look that it gives to it. And so that's it. I will be doing like some mark making, and here I realize I have to cut a little the tissue paper. And as I said, some mark making with a pencil, and that's it for the first page of my new art journal. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next project. Bye guys.